Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up TP-Link Deco BE63. If your router provides wireless internet access all over your home, then this TP-Link Deco BE63 is the best option. The TP-Link Deco BE63 is a high-performance Wi-Fi 7 mesh system designed to deliver ultra-fast, seamless internet coverage throughout your home. With support for the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology, it offers blazing speeds, low latency, and improved capacity for multiple connected devices. So first of all, unbox the TP-Link Deco. The TP-Link Deco BE63 box includes everything needed for setup, such as one or more Deco BE63 units, a power adapter for each unit, an RJ45 Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. This ensures you have all the essential components to quickly set up and expand your Wi-Fi 7 mesh network. Now install the TP-Link Deco app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Unplug your existing modem or gateway to ensure a clean setup. Using an Ethernet cable, connect one of the Deco units to your modem. Plug in the Deco unit and wait until its LED indicator pulses blue, indicating it's ready for setup. Open the app and sign in with your TP-Link ID, or create one if you don't have an account. Select your model from the list, choose Deco BE63. The app will ask you to confirm that the LED is pulsing blue. Tap Yes to continue. It will now search for your Deco. This can take a minute. Once the app detects your Deco, choose your internet type. Enter any details required, PPPoE username, password, etc. The app will prompt you to add more units. Place the next Deco in a different room, plug it in, and wait for the pulsing blue light. In the app, tap Add another Deco. It will find and connect automatically. Give it a name based on its room, e.g., living room. Repeat this for each unit. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.